What if I told you that I use Grok Imagine and also Students 2.0 on a free website to create this masterpiece? And trust me, there is no watermark. So if you need this exact prompt, type prompt in the comment section and I will send it.
So you want to come here to your browser, and what you need to type here is not Flow AI. Click here to search for Flora AI. So when you come here, click on this first one here. After clicking on that, it's going to be taking you to this interface. So since we are using a mobile phone, I'll be clicking here to change this to a desktop site, just so that it could give us that interface as if we are using a PC. So when you come here, this is how the interface looks like. So most people get confused here about where they can click to sign in. So you go ahead and click here. So when you click on here, you can see something like get started for free. I'm going to click here. So I'm going to be posting this and resume later.
In, you are going to be seeing something like this. Bring it all together, every AI models. So I'll click here to continue. So when you come here, you are going to be seeing their own project. Like this is already, or let me see, this is the default project you'll be seeing on the side. So we will not be working with this, right? Because we are going to start our journey afresh, because we have our own prompt, we have our own image that we want to use to create a video. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and bring in my prompt. So I've copied my prompt already. You click on this plus sign there, add note. So the very first thing you need to add is text note. Alright, I'll click on that. So when you click on that, you just drag it to fit in here. Okay, then I'm going to click here again and I'll choose this image node. I'm going to be clicking here, then I'll drag it a little bit down and it's okay. The last we are going to be choosing is the video node. I click here, you can see video, you can choose audio node, you can see technique, you can see upload, which means you can actually upload from your computer and you work with that. So I'll go ahead and click on video node. So when you click on that, I will just be dragging this to fit in here. So this a node, and you know what it means. A node is something that it's like you can connect it to other, oh god, other places. Okay, so since we have a text node, an image node, so we need to combine or connect it together to the video node, right? So what you need to come here is just to come right here, first of all, to the text node, click here, drag it and bring it up here. All right, okay, before that time we need to add in our prompt. Okay, so for my text node, I already have a prompt here. I'm going to click here to paste in my prompt, and then each node gives you a model for you to select with. Okay, so when you come here, you are going to see a different models. So you just need to click on your preferred. Like when you put it on these providers, you're going to see all the ones that follow with it. Okay, so let's try let's try um GPT 5.5. Let's try that. So for the text, I'll still paste in the same, sorry, for the image I'll still paste in the same node. All right, so when I come here, I'll be choosing my model. So I'll turn this off so that there will be a drop down of model for me to pick from. So I'm going to go ahead and click on GPT image 2.2. Then you come here to choose your aspect ratio. For me, I'm creating for a YouTube video. So what I need to do right now is just to come right here and choose it to 16.9, and you can see that the interface has really expanded. All right, so and from here you can choose to enhance your prompt, which is trying to make your prompt feel better. All right, So for this, I'll click here. So okay, I've already picked GPT image 2. Then I'll come here. So I think this is an prompt for the text for the image. Okay, so first of all, I'll hit here to generate my image, and trust me, one good thing about this website is that it's very fast with your video generation. Like, it doesn't take time, right? For you to always be checking your work, you see where you see this queue, you can see one active is because of this image we are generating or creating. So after this image is done, you are going to see Q0 active. Click here and drag. Make sure you paste in your prompt first and generate your image. So you drag this one to where you see prompt. I'll come right here to image. I'm going to click here to drag it to where I see image, so that this thing will be linked together. So the moment I drag this text from, you can see that the text on the image is already appearing here. So this is the image we generated. I'll go ahead to click on download JPEG. So if it's something that you don't like, you can always click here to retry it. Then for our video, I'll see go ahead and come here. Okay, and I'm going to paste Ctrl V. Let's click to go back. Let's come here again. So when you come here, you just need to choose it, and boom, you click here to generate your image. Guys, please, if you have been watching my video without liking and subscribing, please like and subscribe. So I'm going to pause this and resume later, but before then, let me show you guys the video I generated. Let me finish for this one to run and loading first. Alright, so my loves, let's play this and see, and trust me, it's so amazing. First of all, I'm going to be clicking here to download it to my phone, to my PC. Then I'll head over to, let's go back to, right, you can just click here to play it. Alright, so this is the video right here. Let's click here to play it. Trust me. Tell me, don't you like what you see? Then I generated one yesterday, though I didn't record it. So this is the one I generated yesterday, which is this. Let's play and see. So let me. And this is actually at all. It's looking so clean and realistic. So let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this out, and also if the video has helped you, please like and subscribe so that YouTube will push it to more people. Bye, and I can't wait to share the new update with you.